Hi, I'm Robert Dean from Dean Property Team and welcome to 63 Drummond Street in Sinnamon Park. If you're looking for a really peaceful private location, you've got to come and see this one. Step inside this immaculate low-set 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home and be impressed by the layout and practical design. It has a very private entry, low maintenance gardens and offers so much value for a growing family. Master bedroom and ensuite are at the front of the home, neatly tucked away from the other bedrooms for good separation. There's also a large lounge plus separate dining, but the real bonus is the games room. Great space for all types of activities. Music room, media room, the list goes on. All of this flows out to the massive outdoor living area and pergola, which aspects to the saltwater Inground pool. A wonderful asset for the whole family, especially for keeping the kids entertained over the warm summer months. A central hallway leads to the other bedrooms, all built in, and a second bathroom and laundry. This well-designed home will suit a family with this type of layout. The home also boasts a family room adjacent to the renovated kitchen, which has a large walk-in pantry and loads of bench space and self-closing drawers. This property is just perfect if you love entertaining, with so many tick-the-box moments, including a large powered shed or man cave to keep Dad happy as well.